Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been using Vectorworks for a long time, and when they changed the camera tool to introduce the activate deactivate option here, it really bugged me because I was always leaving the camera activated and accidentally moving the camera. And then it dawned on me today, actually that's the whole purpose of that. So let's open up the visualization palette. So Window, Palettes, Visualization. So you can see at the moment I've got one camera, that's this one here, and when I click on it, it's now activated. I can duplicate that camera, so I've now got two cameras, so let's activate the second camera. Now the trick was here, the trick I've got is, why don't we just move the view, turn the view around a little bit, and see what we've got with the camera view activated. So you can see I've got this camera, and I've got that camera, so I've actually just moved the camera ever so slightly. Just by clicking here, this is now activated. Now this one is activated, and click again and it deactivates it, and I can happily turn around and I can spin wherever I want. So that allows me to quickly change between one camera and the other. And I just thought it was a really good trick to learn to grab hold of this camera and then say, you know, I don't really want it to go that way. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to just turn my view a little bit. Just bring that back in here a little bit. Just turn it around and get the view you want. That has now changed this camera completely. So if we go back to that one, it's still the same. This one has now moved to my new position. And I just thought it was a really cool trick that you could just click here, duplicate that camera, this one here, change the view around a little bit. Just turn it around, I'm going to change the view. All the time this is activated, I am changing the camera, and Vectorworks is remembering that. So now if I go back to the first one, now go to the second one, now go to the third one, and so each time I'm just duplicating the camera and moving it while that's activated, and it does what I want. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified. See you later.